Welcome back, students. So now in this video we will be starting with next problem, that is problem number 5 in the books of lessee, that is when minimum rent account is maintained. So you can see the problem. Mysore Mining Company Limited took a mine on lease for a period of 2 years at a royalty of 1 per ton. So the person who is taking a mine or a lease of land is known as lessee, right? So this Mysore Mining Company is a lessee company, and they are not given from whom this person is taking. So the lessor is not given over here. Okay. So the royalty is 1 rupee per ton. Whatever the ton they have been produced, or whatever the production of tons, on this production of ton, 1 rupee per ton will be paid as a royalty for lessor. The minimum rent was fixed at 4,000 for the first year. So the first year they are paying minimum rent of 4,000. So when do we pay minimum rent? The minimum rent is paid when royalty is less than minimum rent. Okay. So otherwise this will be ignored. Okay. Next, 6,000 for the second year and 8,000 per year thereafter. Short workings of any year could be recouped within the lifetime of the lease. So this is the third type of recoupment of short working. So this states whatever the short working, so in the year, whatever the year it is, so even if it is the short workings of 2001 or 2002, it can be recouped, that is, that can be recovered. So if the 5,000 is the short working, means that 5,000 rupees can be carried down, that is carried down for how many ever years it need, until and unless it is recovered by lessee. Okay. Yes. The production for the first 5 years were as follows. So here is the things, years, they are not mentioned over here. There is given first year, second year, third year, fourth year and fifth year. Production for the first year is 2,000, for the second year is 4,500, 6,000, 900 and 12,000. So this is a production. So what they have asked for: minimum rent account, royalty account, short workings account, landlord account. In Ohm's book we need to prepare. We need to prepare in the books of Mysore Mining Company, who is a lessee over here. Okay. So let's start. What is the first step that you need to start? The first step is that you need to start with table of analysis. So how to prepare this table of analysis? So it is very simple. So once if you prepare this table of analysis, the next step, whatever you are doing, it will be very simple. Okay. You will be first writing whatever the years or the numbers they are given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 5 years, and then you will be writing units. Yes, 2,000 units, 4,500 units or production, all the things what they have been written. So next you need to calculate the royalty. How you will be calculating royalty? They are given 1 rupee per ton. So taking that royalty rupees 1 per ton, so whatever the ton or output produced, on that rupees 1. So 2,000 into 1, 2,000, 4,500 into 1, 4,500, 6,000 into 1, 6,000. So likewise this is the royalty. So now after writing on royalty, then you need to write the minimum rent. So how do you write minimum rent? They are mentioned in the question. For the first year, 4,000 is written. For the second year, 6,000 for second year written, and thereafter 8,000. So thereafter means for the next 3 years it is 8,000. So here they might have given for period of 2 years, but it doesn't matter. But how much of a year they are given, according to this production years they are given, we need to calculate. Next, what we will be writing, we need to write the surplus. So how is the surplus calculated? When royalty is more than minimum rent, it will be a surplus. When royalty is less than minimum rent, it will be a short workings. So in the first case, minimum rent is more, royalty is less. So the lessee is incurring a short workings. So these short workings can be recovered in the lifetime, right? So the first year short workings cannot be recovered in the first year itself, nil. There is no irrecoverability. So in this case, the irrecoverability doesn't occur itself, because it can be recovered for the lifetime. You can't show as irrecoverable at all. Okay. So what will the amount be paid? The amount paid will be 4,000 of minimum rent. Okay. Now next, coming on to 4,500 is royalty, 6,000 is minimum rent. So 6,000 is more than 4,500. So this states whatever the minimum rent you have agreed to pay, whatever the minimum rent you have agreed to pay for the lessor is more than whatever the royalty you have earned on a particular production. So why? You need to pay the minimum rent itself. When royalty is less than minimum rent, you need to pay the minimum rent itself. But what happens? Whatever the value you have paid more than whatever you have earned. So 1500 is more. You have paid more for the lesser. So this will be short workings that can be recovered in the next previous year whenever the surplus you have earning on the production. 8,500 is the short workings. Even in the third year, minimum rent is more than royalty. 8,000 is the minimum rent, royalty is 6,000. Whatever you have earned on a production is 6,000. So it states 2,000 is a short working. 8,000 minus 6,000, 2,000. So what you will pay? You will be paying minimum rent. So in the next case, you can see there is a royalty is more than minimum rent. 9,000 rupees is the royalty and minimum rent is 8,000. So what happens? You are earning a surplus. So in this case, the royalty is more than minimum rent. So whatever the rent you have earned more, whatever the royalty you have earned more, that part will be considered as surplus and will be used for the purpose of recovering the short workings whichever is there. Okay. So now out of this 5,500, 2,000, 1,500 and 2,000, 1,500, you can recover only 1,000 because there is only surplus of 1,000 rupees. So we recovered 1,000, you paid 9,000 for the minimum, that is amount, that is royalty you paid. So if in case there was no short workings at all, even though you have a surplus of 1,000 means you will be paying whatever the royalty is there. So whenever the royalty, that is short workings, is there, you will pay whatever the minimum rent you need to be paid, and what is the surplus is there, you will use that surplus for the purpose of writing of the short workings. Right. Next, fifth year, you can see there is no short workings. Minimum rent is less than royalty. How much? 12,000 is the royalty, minimum rent is 4,000. So 4,000 rupees, sorry, 8,000 is the minimum rent. 4,000 rupees is a surplus. What you will do with the 4,000? So here, what was the short workings? 5,500 was the short workings. Out of this, you paid 1,000. You recovered 1,000 in the year 4. So now what is the short workings? Now you have 4,500 as short workings. Now what happens? You have a surplus of 4,000 in the year 5, fifth year. So what happens? You recovered 4,000 minus 4,000. So remaining 500 rupees. What you will do with 500? You will recover in the next year if there is any kind of surplus. If not, you will forward that to the other year because this is a lifetime opportunity for recovering of short workings. What you will pay for the short amount? What you will pay for the lesser? You will pay whatever the minimum rent that need to be paid. Done. So what is the next thing? In the question they were asked only for short workings, that is ledger account. They were not asked for They are not asked for journal entries. Let's start with the ledger account. What is the first ledger account you need to prepare? The first ledger account is you need to prepare minimum rent account. So first you need to write in the books of lessee, right? Who is the lessee? That is Mysore Mining Company. Minimum rent account, deduct credit, and year rupees, particulars rupees, year particulars rupees. So this minimum rent account, what and all things you will be writing whenever you have paid minimum rent, whenever there is a short workings, in whichever years there is a short workings, that year's entries will be, or that year's details will be filled in minimum rent. So in this case, whenever the minimum rent is more than royalty, you can simply think whenever the minimum rent is more than royalty, minimum rent is more than royalty, that you need to write in the minimum rent account. So you will write first to landlord account. I have paid 4,000 rupees. To landlord, I have paid first year LC. So in the first year, minimum rent is more. Right? What I will write? To landlord, I have paid 4,000. And from where I paid this 4,000? I said by royalties, I got 2,000 rupees. I written. And what I showed, other 2,000 rupees I showed as, what you showed us? You showed it as a short workings. Done for first year. In the second year also, the minimum rent is more. So what I will write? Whatever the minimum rent you paid, you will write to landlord I paid 6,000. So I will be showing that, by royalties I got 4,500, and then by short workings I showed short working as 1,500. So in the third year also, the reason minimum rent is more, what you will write? To landlord I paid 8,000. By royalties I got 2,000, and by short workings I showed it as 2000 rupees. Royalties are 6000, short workings as 2000, short workings as 2000. So it is tallied, right? 8000, 8000. So you should be completely, you should close off for the first year, then you should start with second year. So okay, so there is in the fourth year there is no short workings. The minimum rent is not less than that minimum rent is not more than the royalty, so you will not enter anything regarding the minimum rent in the fourth year, right? Even in the fifth year there is no short workings, minimum rent is less than royalty, so there is no need of writing. The minimum rent account is completed for the 3 years. So what is the next thing you need to prepare? You need to prepare a royalty account. So how to prepare this royalty account? So this is very simple to prepare. Just what you will write? By production. So how you wrote by production? Here in the question they are clearly stated it as production. So first in the royalty account you will be writing by production. Whatever the royalty you got, you will be taking. What is the royalty you got by production? 2000. So 2000. Why I did this 2000? I did 2000 rupees. I paid for to minimum rent account. I paid for minimum rent of 2000. Or you can also take, here you have been credited royalty, right? You have credited the royalty account. You will be debiting the minimum rent account. Or else simply you can say whatever the royalty amount you have got here, whatever the royalty amount you got, you should see if it is a production. Even if it is a production means you will be writing by production. If it is a sales over here, if in the question if there is a sales means you will be writing it as P&L account. Okay, so in royalty account by production I got 2000 as royalty. What I did, I paid this 2000 rupees to minimum rent for the first year, closed. For the second year by production, see in the second year I got 4500. What I did this 4000, I paid for minimum rent as 4500, closed. In the third year I got 6000. I got by production account 6000. What I did, I paid it for minimum rent account 6000, closed. Fourth year, be careful. So in the fourth year there is a 9000 rupees royalty. 9000 rupees royalty. What I did, I did not completely pay for minimum rent. I did not pay it as a minimum rent. I also recovered the short workings, right? Out of this 9000, I recovered the short workings. I need to show that, and then I need to show what I paid for the landlord. So out of this 9000, 1000 there was a short workings. I recovered 1000, and then to landlord account remaining I paid as 8000 as royalty or whatever the minimum rent. And then in the fifth year I got 12,000 rupees as a royalty. In that I got 4,000 rupees I paid for short workings, and remaining I paid for landlord. Yes, see, by production account fifth year 12,000, and to short workings account 4,000 I recovered, and to landlord account 8,000 recovered. Okay, that is 8,000 paid to the landlord. For the every single year you need to close the entries like this. Done. So next, what is the entry you need? What is the account you need to pass? You need to pass the short workings account. Whenever, in whichever the year there is a short workings, recovered, only for the particular year's entries or only the particular year's data will be recorded in the short workings account. So this is very simple. I will be writing. So you can simply take first short workings. You will see the short workings column now. What is the short workings there? So short workings, 2000 short workings is there. So why this short workings came? For the purpose of paying minimum rent, right? For the purpose of paying minimum rent, I got this 2000 rupees as short workings. So what I'll write? To minimum rent account I got 2000 as short workings. So in the first year itself I couldn't recover the short workings. So what I did, I will be showing that by balance carried down, balance in figure 2000, and I will be getting that for the next year to balance brought down, that is from the previous year 2000. Yes, in the second year also there is a short workings of 1500, right? So minimum rent account 1500. So what happened in the second year also, you did not recover. There was no path of recovering because there is a short workings, there is no surplus. Am I right? So by balance brought down, balance in figure, what is it? 2000 plus 1500 will be 3500. What I will do, for the third year I will be getting seriously down to balance brought down, that is 3500. So even in the third year according to the table of analysis, I have 2000 rupees of short working, so I will be recording to minimum rent account 2000. So on the other side, by balance carried down, I will be carrying down the balancing figure 5500 I brought down. So in the fourth year, to balance, see, you should close the accounts for the particular years. Done. To balance brought down 5500, but in the year fourth year I have recovered 1000 as short working. Am I right? So I need to show that. So I need to show by royalty account I have recovered 1000. So remaining whatever the balancing figure is there, 5500 minus 1000, that will be 4500. I will be taking it to the next year. 4500 to balance brought down 4500. So even in the fifth year, what happened? I have I recovered 4000 rupees out of royalty surplus. So by royalty 4000. So that will be 4500 minus 4500 will be the balancing, that is balancing figure, balance carried down. So you should show to sixth year. There is no sixth year over here, right? But you need to show here sixth year to balance brought down, whatever the balance you brought, and then you will be showing, because you don't know what happens at the next previous year. Okay, sorry, next the succeeding years. So this is about the short workings account. So now what you need to prepare? Now you need to prepare the landlord account. So this is a very simple account. You will be preparing the landlord account. So what you will write? To whatever the money you paid for bank, that landlord, whoever the lessor is there. So first year I debited in that landlord's account. Whoever that the person's name is not given, so I will be considering as landlord or lessor's account. Okay. So I debited in the landlord's account by bank to bank. I have debited to bank of the landlord 4000. So how that came to the landlord? It came by minimum rent 4000 rupees closed. So next 6000 you paid to bank account, 6000 I paid, and by how? By minimum rent, right? Minimum rent. So next third year to bank account, that is 8000, by minimum rent 8000. Fourth year, that is 8000 rupees only, but at that time we paid through royalty, right? Because the royalty is more than minimum rent, so you will be showing by royalty account. Whenever the royalty is more than the minimum rent, in the landlord account you will be showing by royalty. Whenever the minimum rent is more than royalty, it will be by minimum rent. So 8000 what you paid, you will be showing 8000. So in the fifth year also you paid 8000 rupees. So to bank account 8000 by royalty account, because even that case in the fifth year also the royalty was more than minimum rent, that is 8000. So this completes the landlord account and the question number 5. So hope you have been understood. Please do ask me if any doubts, and please make sure you will be completing each and every notes, and you should have your notes completed. On the day of reopening, every notes will be reviewed and it will be corrected. On that basis only you will be awarded your internal marks. I am sure for that. Okay, thank you.